So hey yo, what's up YouTube, thanks for watching UB's World. It's me UB and I am back with another video. So in this video I am going to show you all top 5 most unusual apps and one website. So these are really most interesting and most amazing, and in this series, in this list, there is one application which I am really impressed with. So watch the entire video to know which app that was. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel as well. So yeah, without wasting more time, let's get started in the video. So here we go. So the first app that comes up is the Wallpaper. Yes, this is in our 5th number in our list, and this is basically an wallpaper app. So we are usually want our app or our device to be in the next level and want some interesting wallpapers, and we just find it on Google. So this application helps you to find more and more amazing multiple types of wallpapers which you will definitely like it. Yes, this application has different types of categories like abstracts, animation, architecture, cards and many more. So according to me, this is the best, not the best for me personally. I like this wallpaper because this is simple and elegant wallpaper which makes your device look professional and good. So yeah, there are many more wallpapers. So as you all can see, this is the wallpaper I have set. So also you can do the wallpaper loop. Yes, this is the best feature of this application. Just go on any of the wallpaper and you will find a loop option. Just click on it and just create one of the playlist. So I'll just create a loop name playlist, and then I'll just select it and I'll add some more wallpapers in it. So after doing all those things, I'll just go to the loop option which is given in the top right. So later I will find all the playlist and loop option given up right there. Then when I will click on it, here are all the wallpapers I have selected. Then I'll click on the loop symbol, and yes, as you all can see, they will ask for the permission. You have to give the permission, and later the best thing is that they also provide you the timeline of which you can change, like if you want to change a wallpaper after 15 minutes or 1 hour or after 24 hours, you can do it by this wallpaper. And trust me, this is the best wallpaper application. I think like this is in the next level applications. Yes, these are the best application of wallpaper. So most of the wallpaper application are not that great, but this is amazing. So try it once. So the next thing that comes is not an app, but it is an website. So we must all be in some situation where we used to like to download all the hack games, and so because of that we have to download Lucky Patcher, Game Guardian and many more to gain 9,000 means 9999 coins and something like that. So I am with an website called Apkdone. Yes, when you just search for Apkdone, you will find an option in the website in first. So when you click on it, you get thousands and thousands of most popular apps as well as games like Clash of Clans, Minecraft and many more things, like even Free Fire, like more and more amazing online games. You will find it with the hacked version itself. So you don't need to worry of getting banned in it. Just download it and start playing, and also you will get a game like Getting Over It, and here you will find what all are the features or hack you will find in this application. So yes, this is the best website I think, because there are many more websites like APK Pure and Android One website. There are many more, but to be honest, this is the best and working website because there are multiple type of amazing applications which you won't find in any other website. So yes, I think this is the best one because even I have found Among Us mod where you can get no kill cooldown, unlimited emergencies, unlock skin, pets and heads. Like these are the thing which we want right now, because Among Us is the most popular game played, and yeah, you can easily download it by clicking on download APK, and you will find a link given here. Just click on it and your download will be started. Just try it once. So the next app is, this is the best app I like, that is Snapback. So before talking about this app, I want to share an example. Like if you are in a situation, in a meeting or somewhere with your friends, and you want to record what your friend says or what your officer says, like it's an like for the secret or for some proof purpose, and while they are talking you can't just take out your mobile and just tap on the record button, they will know it. So this is the app where you can get all the recorded audio which is been recorded from the past 30 minutes. Yes, this application automatically records all the voice or all the things which were said by your friends, and you can set it. Like this is like different type of application where it where like you get an option, like if you want to record past 30 minutes audio or 15 minutes and something like that. Just open the app and click on start recording and just turn off the device. It won't take any of the storage space until you save it manually. Yes, until you save all the recording manually, it will keep on recording, and not at all your 1 MB will not be used by this device. This is the best thing, and yes, the audio quality is also really good, and like I am really impressed with this, and this is the most helpful and useful application. If you want to know more about this application, just comment down below. I will surely make an entire video of this. This has multiple type of features. Even you can record all the audio from right now, like in the normal recording application, and later this is after a section, just click on done and just type any of the name of the section, and as you all can see, this is the season. In such period you have done all this recording, you can just check it once, and yeah, you can share all the audios, export and do whatever thing you need to. So this is the best and easiest way to record all the for the proof purpose. So the next app comes up is a Tap It. So this is basically an also wallpaper application where you will find all simple and standard wallpapers. It will be like really clear and not so much high tech, and also if you want your device to be in simple manner, you can download this, but all the wallpapers are not for free, you have to download it. And as you all know, it's so easy to download any paid apps for free, as I have shown y'all in the past few minutes. So yeah, even the most highlighting feature of this application is, if you like any of the wallpapers which is shown, just tap on the 3 option which is in the bottom right of the wallpaper, and you will find all the related wallpapers which you like. This is the best thing. I can't explain more about it. You have to download and try it. So the final app in our list is Slimeline. So as we all know, watching a device, a mobile with the same theme, same wallpaper, no changes, you are being bored of it. So this is the best app to change the complete font of your application. Like this application helps you to change the folder icons, and this has totally of 4774 application icon. And the best thing is that this application itself provides you some of the wallpaper which will definitely suit your icon bar. Yes, this are the best wallpapers I can see which will definitely suit you when you just apply all the icons of this application. So to apply this, you can't do it by this app itself. So this app actually provides you the icon, but to apply it on a device, here are some of the application which are used to apply it. So you can select any of the application from here itself. This will help you to apply all those icons. And yes, this all applications are for free. You can download any of the application, like I will download the Apex app, and yeah, when you just click on it, you will directly go to the Play Store, and here you will find an Apex launcher. So you have to download it, and later when you will open this app, you will find the icon, Apex icon will be in a colorful, like just click on the Apex icon after the completion of download, and later you can apply it. And also you can see which all app icons are not supported, like this app icons does not support this Slimeline, they does not provide you these icons. So you can just request for those application icons and they will send you the feedback. So yes, you can try it. So this is really helpful, and I have personally liked it, and even it is still in my other device, my personal device. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching my complete video. I hope you have liked it, and yeah, if you liked it, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel as well, because I am bringing all this interesting contents in Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Yes, this time I did not upload any of the video in the past Thursday, so because of some problems I was not able to upload. So yeah, I will try my best to upload all 3 weeks in 3 days in a week. So yeah, let's meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye, stay safe, stay healthy, and yeah, let's meet in the next video. Goodbye, take care.